Hello guys, guess what? We're in the middle of nowhere and I want us to go home and I don't know where is the path to home. And Daddy have lead us here. And Daddy have lead us here for nothing. And even this forest is the biggest forest I've ever seen. Even I can't see anything, any building. Can't see anything, even a building or a car. And I didn't want to come here now. Now I never come here again. And I don't want to come here again ever. That's because we are in the middle of nowhere.
Maybe this one is showing us direction back to the gate. What do you think? Let's go this way.
It's saying like this, and that way is like that.
What? I think that way is like that.
Yeah, it's saying like this way, and that way leads to the middle of nowhere. That you can't even see anything. If you see a snake, just tell me so I can beat it up.
Let's follow this direction. Maybe we'll find ourselves back to the gate.
We are going to get the monsters.
If I see a monster, I'm definitely gonna take a weapon and then I beat it very hard, even if that pouring blood.
Which weapon?
Very many blood. Even I don't want to come here ever again.
Oh my God.
You know, we are in the middle of nowhere and we have been following the directions that it has been telling us. Now I wish I can be home.
And the directions that are leading to nowhere.
Even I wish I was at home.
But it's cool. Can't you see how this place is beautiful?
Yes, but we are lost. That is the bad way.
We just keep walking. And then maybe...
I'm taking a stick to fight a snake.
Where is a snake?
Lost.
Where is a snake?
We are lost.
It's just your echo.
Hi,
Sing
you guys.
Yeah. Yeah, beers.
It's other people.
Guys, those are the beers.
I'll beat one up if I see one. I'll beat it very hard even.
I thought you said you eat it up.
Now you can
You see other children
You
there.
see, there are other people. We are not
From
lost.
another planet.
We are not lost. You guys.
But also them, they have been looking for the way.
So, they are also lost.
They are
So
also
we are all lost.
All of us are lost.
I can carry these one.
One!
But, see, it is good to get lost in a beautiful place like this.
But if something
What? What is...
If
what?
something
Something
comes-
like what?
if something approaches and then it kills us all.
Something like what now?
Like what when I'm here.
So you have
I'm
a stick.
strong.
So you have a stick and you are strong.
Give me that weapon of mine. That is my weapon, or I take a big weapon that no one can survive.
That one.
Yes, this is
That one will kill a snake.
Yes, I'll kill a snake with this. I don't want any problems with a snake. I'll just beat it up. And then the monkeys will start saying, yay, hoo hoo ha ha, hoo hoo ha ha. They'll start saying like that. Just follow the directions. All the leaders
You guys, this place is beautiful.
But there's no bed. If you sleep on
There is no?
bed,
There is no bed. Let's keep walking. Johnny Walker.
even the other people have been going for hours and hours and hours and hours. You have been here for like what? Like for Almost 1 hour.
But that's what we came here to do. We came here to walk in the forest.
It's only 50 minutes to night time.
50 minutes? Now look, I told you we got lost. Now if we get very lost, then we are gonna do what? And sheep have been here, and the sheep have been.
That in sea. What does this
the
one
people
mean?
are going this
That
way.
in sea.
Why are there people going this way?
I don't know. I don't know where they are headed to. Let's just keep walking. Or should we follow them? Because maybe they know where they are going. But we don't.
If they know the way to home, if they know the way to the gate, then we can follow them. But if no, then we don't.
Now who knows? Who knows?
No,
Let's keep walking.
Keep going.
I'm looking behind us for a bear. So I can
Behind.
pick it up.
Wait. Come on, wait.
Okay.
Come. Is that a bear behind you? Is that a bear? Oh God, where are we? Where are we?
I wish I can stay home. Now if we didn't come here, we could have not been lost like this.
Hurry up. Let's go.
And can you download the map to show us where we are?
There is no network.
Then if you downloaded it before we came here, it could have been good. We could have been knowing the way out. And the sun is starting to go down. No, look, it's like half time and we are not in home.
Oh, see that tree? See that tree over there, Ryan? See that tree? You're not even interested?
That's because you're in the middle of nowhere.
Ah, come on, you're not lost.
You know the path. Then
See, this is a path. They are following this path.
Yes, but
And if you take us to the gate... I thought it's a snake. God.
These ones are dangerous than snakes.
Evans.
Wait until they get in those pants of yours. We will
Do you
call
know
out-
those creatures, Ryan?
We will call out the whole village.
stop this doggy.
I feel like disturbing people because I'm lost.
But if you are lost, no more problems.
Hmm?
If you're lost, no more. Just smack that look for help.